Where do you edit your videos? I get this question a lot. I edit my videos on my mobile phone. I moved from desktop to mobile 2 years ago. It's faster and I can edit video anywhere and whenever I have spare time. Kinemaster is perfect for my use case. Its quick and easy workflow made me switch from PC to mobile. I shoot with my phone and directly edit on Kinemaster. Kinemaster is so good that people are now looking for a PC version. Unfortunately, there is no PC version yet. I still prefer to edit on my mobile. But for the sake of you guys who are looking for a Kinemaster PC version, here's what you can do to edit a video on a desktop using your Kinemaster. 3 ways to edit on desktop. 1. Android emulator. Install an Android emulator like Nox Player on your PC. And from there use the emulator to run Kinemaster. Get Nox Player from bignox.com. 2. Use Android phones with desktop mode. Huawei EMU and Samsung DeX have a built-in desktop mode when connected to HDMI. You can launch Kinemaster while in desktop mode. You can edit on Kinemaster using mouse and keyboard with this setup. 3. Sendio Desktop. If you don't have a Huawei or Samsung device, you can use Sendio Desktop on your Android phone instead and run Kinemaster from there. Read more about the setup guide to turn your phone to a desktop by going to the Sendio Desktop website. There you go guys, if you have other ideas on how to use Kinemaster on a desktop setup, please comment down below. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like the video. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.